Hello guys, welcome to my channel NetCast on WebTech Zone. In this video tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can play videos on Google Drive if you got error like this video cannot be played in Google Drive. So I will show you in both if you have using Google, mobile like Android phone. If you're using iPhone, iOS, so how can you can play video of Google Drive which show the error of you unable to play in Google Drive. So first I'm going to show you in Google desktop if you want to play video in Google Drive without download, how you can do this. So let's start with the video. Before we start, I'm requesting you, if you like this video, hit the like button, subscribe my channel, and don't forget comment below. Let's start with the video. So first, if you have using the laptop or desktop, so in desktop or laptop, if you're using Chrome browser and if you go into Google Drive, so if I go in Google Drive, one second, I have to go in Google Drive first. So what happens, some mp3 or audio file or video file play in Google Drive, but some files not play. It should be, it show that you have to first download it and then you can play on into your mobile, sorry, your laptop or desktop device. So here you can see, I don't have here video file. It's okay, I don't have here video file. I have to upload one video file here first. One second. So as here you can see, this is my I have video file. Video file may be in mp4 file, or there is a many file format in videos. So if you click on I click on this, it show I need to download for the play this. Okay, it's play because it's the WMV file. This is a friendly Google Drive some file, but doesn't play on this. Okay, so how you can play? Okay, first we have to uh, click here to add add-on. Okay, so get add-on for the video and mp4 mp3. So here you have to type player video audio. Okay, there is a many player, you can see audio video player if you are okay. So this one, this player, it is very useful to play in mp3 mp4 any format file you can play in Google Drive without downloading. Just install it, the continue. We have to give permission first. Okay, it is safe, don't worry, because it's add-on of Google. So it is third party application, but it is approved by Google only, so don't worry about security and all. So it is installed now. You just come out and once again. So guys, here I got the another mp4 file, so just I double click and open it. So it show we are posting this video, please check back later. Okay, and so you need to download to play this video. Okay, so here you just you can see this is an add-on which I have added, yeah, recently. Man, I added now, so just click on it. So it will be open in different tab and you can play audio video from here. Okay, it is getting ready, so it is depend on your internet speed. So after it's ready, you can play from here and you can play the video from here. Okay, so let's see this user, please. Ocho, we have to give login and authority. Just log in and give the authority. It is first time, one time process. Okay, yeah, now it is getting ready. Yeah, it is download now. It is around, so it is ready now. You can play from here and video will be play here. Okay, so that is how you can play video in Google Drive without downloading. And now let's come to mobile phone, how you can, if you're getting error like this video can't be play, or this video can't be played in Google Drive. So let's start with the my mobile phone. So let's go to my mobile phone. So guys, you can see this is my Android mobile phone. Okay, so first we have to download the VLC player for mobile, because this player can be used for any format. Okay, if you have different format in videos, this player will play any formats of video file. Okay, just download it and first install it and download it. Okay, after installation, go to Google Drive now. Okay, and in my Google Drive, okay, I have one video file. Let's see. Okay, this is my video file. If I click it, it will be play in my video drive, sorry, Google Drive. Because of this is another format which is friendly to Google Drive, it will be play. Okay, so you can see the video will be play. But if you have facing the problem like this video can't be played in your Google Drive, so just you will receive the error on the screen. And now you have to go in this three dot, click on this three dot, and scroll down and click on open with. So after you click in open with, your phone application will be you can see here. So I have many like Google Play, okay, Google Photos player, MX player, VLC player. For so this time I am using VLC player, so just click on VLC player. And now just click on just now or always, just give the permission to allow. And you can see VLC player will be able to play your videos file, any format videos file. Now give the another option. If you don't want to, if you want to download and play, just click on and just download it. And after download you can play in Google VLC player. Okay, you have to click on VLC player. VLC player will show you all your videos file. Okay, then you can play it. I hope you like this video. Thank you for watching.